We're back to show you the Southern fried chicken. Now, we've finished cooking this on the stovetop. And again, I used a mixture of canola and vegetable oils, about a 50-50 mix. And this is the pan back here that we use. So I've let this chicken just kind of drain off on some parchment paper. And this is a nice pretty color that we're looking at. I've got a chicken breast here, boneless one, obviously. I left the skin on. I've got a drumstick here, and I've got a thigh. And I've just got a little chicken tender here, which is done. Now, I wanted to illustrate, this is a smaller piece of chicken, so it was done start to finish in the pan. These other pieces, however, the chicken that's on the bone, is going to still be a tiny bit bloody. And as I told you, if we tried to cook them from start to finish in that pan in the oil, the chicken itself would just get too dark on the outside. So instead, I'm going to take these three pieces that have the bone, except for the chicken breast, of course. But we're going to take these three bigger pieces and throw them into our countertop convection oven, which I have set at 325, and there's a convection fan blowing. And I've got a little pan in there that has a grate, so it's going to keep it up off the bottom of the pan. And we're going to throw that in there for about 10 or 15 minutes just so it finishes the cooking procedure for us. In the event that you don't have this, we've got a sheet pan, or you can get a hold of a sheet pan actually, and use a cooling rack like this. And we would simply place these chicken pieces on top of the cooling rack and throw those into a preheated oven at the same 325, 350 degrees for an extra 10 to 12 minutes. And it'll be a done deal as far as that goes. So once the chicken's done, we'll come back and show you the finished product.